I'm back with another video with my son Lincoln, and we're gonna be seeing what's inside.
It's a water bottle. Oh, I gotta focus. Hold on. Okay, I'm focused.
Let's get into it.
Gotta see what's inside.
Lincoln, you're not supposed to be using my power tools. All right, before we wreck it, let's use some real tools. Lincoln, try this. You gotta use WD-40, Lincoln. Oh.
Oh shit.
Gucci.
Oh, hey, Dad.
All right, son, that's enough. Oh my God, son.
Guys, it's okay.
It didn't work.
It's still squeaky.
Son, use this.
It's like all. What the?
Alright, Dad.
Oh my God!
So we've tried all we can to break this bottle, and this might be one of the best products I think we've seen, right, Lincoln?
Oh my God! It's so dirty and wet.
So, Lincoln, give your full review plus star count.
It's pretty good. I got it off Amazon. It's cheap and affordable. 3 stars.